Here we have the BMW G310 GS. However, this particular G310 we fitted the Rallyride kit to. If you're not familiar with Rallyride, they are a company that make loads of products for many different bikes, but for the G310 they make a spectacular kit to turn this already very able off-road bike into a real off-road bike that you can really use to its full potential. Let's take a closer look at what we've got. As part of the Rallyride kit, we've got tubeless spoked wheels, Barkbuster handguards, the Tractive shock and fork kit, which is also known as the Level 2 suspension kit. Tractive is a Netherlands company that makes suspension. They're really good stuff, and they have their own PSD2 system, which is a position dependent dampening system, and that ensures that under extreme compression, such as big jumps, the shock does not bottom out, and even offers progressive dampening all the way through the stroke. We have high and low speed compression adjustment, which is easily done with just a flathead screwdriver, motocross style. We have different fork springs which are 25mm longer than the originals. This allows for extra travel, great for when you're really off-roading. Got the Adventure engine guard, which incorporates both the engine bars and the sump guard all in one unit. We have the Scorpion exhaust, which is great for no other reason than it makes you laugh and makes you smile when you're riding. We also have the Rallyride rear rack, perfect for strapping a bag to when you've got your tools to carry around with you on your off-road adventure.